Hello friends, welcome to video lecture on quantitative aptitude. Today we are going to learn about average. Now average is the central value of the data. So let us see what is the mathematical formula of average. Now average is nothing but the sum of observation divided by number of observations. That means suppose there are 5 observations, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 observations are given. So what is the average of this given data? So sum of observation, that means addition of observation, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that means 15, divided by number of observation, that is number of observation means total number of observation is 5, that is 1 2 3 4 5, that is 15 divided by 5, that means 3 with the average. It is also called mean. So let us see some examples on average. So problem number 1, the average of 11 numbers is 21. If 3 is added to each given number, what will be new average? There are 4 options are given. So let us see what is the right answer. Now use the simple tricks. The average of 11 number is 21. Average of 11 numbers is 21. So obviously add is 3 is added to each given number, that means 3 is added to average. 21 plus 3, that means 24. So 24 with the new average. So 24 is the right answer. So same one example. The average of 12 numbers is 35. If each of the number is multiplied by 2, then find the average of new set of numbers. Same tricks are used here. The average of 12 numbers is 35. So multiply 2 each of the numbers and what will be new average. So multiply 2 by the average, 35 into 2, that means 70. So 70 is the right answer. So next, problem number 3, find the average of first 50 numbers, and there are 4 options are given. So let us see what is the right answer. Now the even numbers, that means start from 2, 4, 6, 8 up to last even number is 50. The ones position to be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. That numbers is even numbers. So addition for this given numbers. Okay. So what will be tricks? So first even number is 2 plus and last even number is 50. The average of first even number and last even number, that means divided by 2. There are two numbers 2 and 50, so divided by 2. That means 2 plus 50, that is 52, and 52 divided by 2, that means 26. So the average of first 50 numbers is 26. So B option is correct. So next example, find the average of all even numbers up to 100. There are 4 options are given. So what is the right answer? So let us see. Now same tricks are used. The even numbers start from 2, 4, 6 up to last even number is 100, because 100 also even number, because this position is one's position is 0 number. So same tricks are used. First even number 2 and last even number is 100. The average of both, that is 2 plus 100, that is 2 plus 100 divided by 2. 2 plus 100, that means 102. 102 divided by 2, that means 51. So D option is correct. The average of first even number up to 100, that means 51. So D option is correct. So last one example, find the average of all the odd numbers up to 100. There are 4 options are given. So what is the right answer? So let us see. Now same tricks are used. Even odd numbers start from 1. The ones position be the 1 3. Ones position, that is 1 3 5 7 9 and up to last. What will be last odd number? That is 99, not to be 100. That is last odd number is 99. So same tricks are used. The first odd number and last odd numbers, the average of first and last odd number, this 1 plus 99. There are two numbers, therefore divide by 2. So 1 plus 99, that is 100. 100 divided by 2, that means 50. 100 divided by 2, that means 50. So B option is correct. In this way, today we are learn some examples on average and some simple tricks. So thank you so much.